Hello, Ron from Great Annexes. Today, I would like to show you behind the scenes of where we make our quality replacement awning vinyl skins for your rollout awning. And if you're not aware, we manufacture right here in Australia good quality replacement awning skins to basically use on your caravan and not make you have to buy a whole new awning roller assembly or box awning box just because your fabric has deteriorated. Now, a little bit of background on fabrics. Fabrics from factory are generally what we describe as medium grade materials. Therefore, they usually are a 3-layer material put on by the factory, and you'll expect in today's conditions to maybe get somewhere between 2 and 4 years of use from the factory skin before the telltale signs of its aging will start to appear, namely shrinkage, bubbling, delamination. They're all signs of material starting to wear out. So at Great Annexes, we manufacture high quality replacement skins. So in short, we keep all your hardware of your awning, purely remove the vinyl component and replace it with one of our quality skins. Our skins are 4-layer material, what we call 4-ply material. So essentially it still has the 3 layers which the factory standard skins have, but that 4th layer is a blockout film layer. And what the blockout does, it eliminates the light's ability to travel through the awning, but also reflects the heat off the awning. So therefore, you're not getting as hot when sitting under it. It's not radiating as much heat through the top. The good thing about the blockout of the light is, particularly if you're using the room as a sleeping quarters, you might have the kids or visitors or whatever in your annex, they're not going to be getting that light coming into that room to wake them up too early or illuminate their sleeping experience, if that's the thing. So nonetheless, what you can see here is our girls are making some skins right now for a client. We have Diane at the moment cutting out the material, marking all the lines to suit the dimensions of the awning that we're making this for. And she is basically prepping all the hems and getting everything in place, ready to come over to Kirsty, who will sew all the hems down and sew all the splines into that fabric, ready for your awning. We are doing hundreds of these skins a year. We literally cannot keep up with demand. And if you're watching this video and you have had your fabric made here, thank you for your business. We appreciate you coming through our facility and supporting Australian made. But of course, you'll know that you're getting a better quality outcome. So if cared for correctly, these awning skins can easily get you 6 to 8 years of life compared to the 2 to 4 years a factory standard one will be. There's some care instructions which we'll train you on as you take delivery of your skin, either through our factory or through our network of retailers. And if you follow those care instructions well, you're likely never to need to buy another awning again. So we don't muck around with inferior stuff here at Great Annexes. We only are interested in quality materials and quality outcomes for your money, and they're still very economical. When you compare it against other options in the market, you're actually probably coming up a bit cheaper getting a skin only versus replacing the whole awning. So something to consider if your awning isn't looking that great anymore or is starting to show the signs of the delamination or the shrinkage to a point now where it's needing to be swapped over, you need to consider a Great Annex skin. Find all our details on our website, greatannexes.com.au. Phone us up or send us an email. If you can give us the length of your fabric that you currently have, we'll be able to get you a quote very quickly, and then you can make your booking and away you go. So thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget, we're making good quality awning skins for all makes and models of awnings generally. There's some exclusions, but most awnings we cover. And if you need help with that, make sure you get in touch.